Why IT support and maintenance becomes more effective with a trusted partner. On average, companies spend between 20% and 30% of their IT budget on maintaining existing systems and hardware. 30% of downtime results in revenue loss and can impact nearly 50% of operational productivity, leading to high costs for businesses. The average cost of an IT downtime is approximately $5,600 per minute. What benefits does a reliable partner like Netza Group offer? Let's analyze how we have addressed the technological needs of our leading client in robotic solutions, now expanding into retail stores in Panama. Solutions adapted to the client needs, on-site repairs and maintenance for robots in retail stores. Solid presence in Latin America, supporting our clients' regional expansion. IT maintenance and support contracts, break and fix service to ensure optimal equipment performance and operational continuity. Efficient spare parts logistics, management and storage of spare parts. SLA compliance and operational transparency, operational control and monitoring of requests. Inventory control of spare parts, secure backup of spare parts stocks. Netza Group, your leading ally in tech solutions.